20 years ago in the Kleinwalsertal, there were many murders. The murders were very brutal and often the victims were children.
Jesus Christ, this was a hard trip today. I'm very tired.
Yes, but it was worth for the outstanding view. Let's go to bed.
And in the morning they all woke up, except for poor little Franz. He was strangled, the murderer being so strong that the handprint was still there.
Wake up, Cole!
What a
nice morning! I know that Marcus is the murderer because he's in the same room and the handprint matches exactly.
It wasn't me. I took sleeping tablets and sleep all night long.
We don't have enough evidence.
Not guilty!
Yes.
After a long day at court, the remaining kids were all very tired and went to sleep. And in the morning they all woke up, all of them except for Herbert.
I know you're the murderer. You've killed too many people. I cut off your arm for punishment.
Oh no, I won't be killed again.
And now it's time to die.
20 years later, in the year 2012, there have been more murders in the Kleinwalsertal.
We have to dig up the grave of the murderer.
Yes.
Jesus Christ! Where's the hand?
And so all of the people in Kleinwalsertal thought it was the hand that killed again. Expect for
Accept.
bei mir steht expect.
Accept.
Except for Herbert.
I don't think him. We don't have enough enemies.
Evidence.
Animal ist ja klar.
Don't have enough evidence.
Evidence.
Don't have enough evidence.
So ein